Hey, how's it going? Here's another quick little video. I've got my wife's Honda CRV. Somebody backed into a garbage bin on the way out to work and smashed the mirror. So we're going to show you a quick little video here on a couple quick little steps on how to replace the glass inside the mirror. You're not going to have to take the mirror off the vehicle or the mirror assembly. We'll show you how to pop the glass right out and put a new one on. Stay tuned. Okay, picked up this little replacement mirror on Amazon, and it's got the electrical connections, heated mirror, and if you'll notice, these are the top tabs. They slide up into the mounting bracket in behind there, but in behind it there is two at the bottom, two little things that are going to go over a little white piece. So we're gonna have to pry it away and get this pulled away from the mounting bracket behind there. And then we will pop it out and slide it down and then disconnect the electrical connection. Alright, so I've turned the mirror in with the electronic little switch there inside as far as I could, and then I pulled it out a little bit. You can see in there now there's the little black thing going over a white tab. So I'm going to get in there with a pry tool and pop this off, hopefully. Okay, it's kind of hard to do with the camera, but what I did here now, oh goodness here, there we go, focus on that. I got my flat screwdriver and went in there and pried it away. So now I'm going to have to go down to the other side and pry that one. So we'll just pop those out and then it should slide down. Okay, I've got the two tabs here. I'll get this one here and then the other one down there pried away. But there was a little bit of a glue or something in here. So we just have to kind of break that seal there. And then the glass, gotta be careful here now because it's all kind of broken. We'll pull down out of there now. Okay, mine had a little bit of like a two-sided tape here. It was stuck to the mirror itself and that, but we've got it off. Need to unplug those two and we'll pop the new one on. So we've got the new one attached. We plugged those connections back in, and now we're just going to slide those tabs up into there. Then we'll clip the bottom clips on there, and then we should have a good mirror again. Okay, so the top ones are clipped in. We're just going to make sure that we're in line here. Slide it up all the way. All right, to help it pop in there on these bottom tabs, I just used a little bit of the silicone lubricant to spread on there. Put the top slots in and then just squeezed it on tight and pressed hard, and it popped into place. So we got a new mirror on there. Nice and easy, not too tough, just a couple little tricks there. So that's another quick little video from Grampzquad. If you like what you see there, give a like and a subscribe, and see you on the next one. Have a good day.